Hello everyone, and today I'll talk about the coolest features on your Nothing Ear 8 that you'll definitely find useful. So first of all, the coolest feature is Nothing X application. You can find it either in Google Play or in iOS App Store. So let's open it up. It will give us a full control over our earbuds. Let's talk about the equalizer first, right here. So equalizer offers up 4 standard presets, but you can create your own custom one. Simply tap on the custom. However, by now you can only save one custom settings. Let's go back. Now let's talk about controls. This is a really cool feature. So this earbud has sensors that manage music and calls. Double and triple squeeze, switches tracks, activates the voice assistant and rejects incoming calls. Squeeze and hold controls noise cancellation, adjusts volume and activates the voice assistant. And finally, single squeeze right here, it plays music or pauses music, answers or hangs up the calls. Also, these headphones provide us noise control. Let's open it up so you can enable it. You can choose between off, transparency, noise cancellation, and noise cancellation has 4 levels of it: high, mid, low, and adaptive one. You can connect the earbuds to the 2 devices at the same time, which is super convenient. It supports LDAC codec and AAC codec and ensures the top-notch quality. Also, if you'll tap the top right corner right here, you'll see that this headphone have in-ear detection and low lag mode, which minimizes latency for an improved gaming experience. It also has a Find My Earbuds option, and it has a lot of firmware updates, which keep your earbuds performing even better. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.